Hi, Diana, obviously. Could you give us a overview of your current QA role and projects?
Hi, Christian, and hi, everyone. My name is Diana Trofanova, and I've been working as a QA engineer for over 3 years. During my career, I worked on different projects. So, for instance, a human resource management system, an invoice approval system, talent acquisition platform. Currently, I've been working on a project related to the digitalization of insurance. My key responsibilities include ensuring software quality, performing various types of testing, and also collaborating with the team to produce high quality releases. I believe this experience helps me understand the skills needed for ISTQB preparation.
That's great. So, what made you want to get your ISTQB foundation level certification?
For me, the ISTQB Foundation level certification has always been like the gold standard for every tester. I saw it as a key milestone in my career, an opportunity to enhance my skills and deepen my expertise in software testing. In my opinion, it's essential for testers. First of all, it provides a well-structured approach to testing, helping you gain a solid foundation in key concepts and best practices. It also allows you to standardize the terminology according to international norms. As we know, communication is a core skill for testers, and ISTQB helps you like speak the same language with your colleagues, reducing misunderstandings. And after all, as testers, we don't just find bugs, we collaborate, analyze, and help build better software. And let's not forget one of the biggest advantages, global recognition. This makes it really valuable when seeking new career opportunities, as it demonstrates a commitment to professional growth and industry standards. So, to my mind, ISTQB wasn't just about passing an exam for me. It was about growing as a professional and staying ahead in the constantly evolving IT industry.
Yeah, those are some great reasons, and I'm sure a lot of people feel the exact same way, and that's why they also get their foundation level certification. So how do you think it's helped you in your QA job? Like, for example, have you found any areas in your work that you've adjusted since getting your foundation level certification?
Thank you for the question. Uh, I think getting my ISTQB certification gave me a fresh perspective on improving the testing process in my current project. One of the important takeaways was how to enhance test documentation, making it clearer, more structured, and aligned with best practices. Uh, by applying standardized terminology, I've already started to improve communication with the team, and that's directly contributed to a more structured testing process. Also, the practical part with test design techniques was especially valuable for me. It helped me create test artifacts more efficiently, increasing test coverage in our product. Additionally, the certification enhanced my understanding of static testing and provided some useful insights. For example, how to effectively introduce it into real projects. So, overall, ISTQB certification didn't just validate my skills, it helped me apply them more productively. It improved both my personal workflow and the quality of the testing process.
Yeah, that's great. I'm really glad that the foundation level certification was able to help you in your day-to-day job. So how did you actually prepare for the exam? Did you self-study? Did you take a course? What was your preparation looking like?
I guess the entire preparation took me about 1 month. The most important point is consistency. So I dedicated about 3 to 4 hours per day to studying. Firstly, I read the syllabus twice. So the first time was like to get a general overview of the content, and the second time I focused on the challenging topics that required deeper understanding. I also learned terminology from the glossary, which was really helpful. I printed it out and highlighted any terms that were unclear or unfamiliar to me. And after each topic in the syllabus, I practiced tests. So this helped me reinforce the theory and quickly identify any errors that needed more attention. Uh, Also, after studying the main material, I took the sample exams to understand the structure and to manage my time effectively.
Yeah, that's great. Did you think that the ASTQB resources to study, like the practice exams or glossary, were pretty helpful in your preparation for the exam?
Sure, the free ASTQB resources were incredibly useful during my preparation. The syllabus, the glossary, and sample exams played a crucial role in ensuring I was fully prepared. I believe even if a tester already has a solid theoretical and practical background, it's essential to review the glossary uh, to make sure your understanding of the terminology aligns with the standards. Because some questions can be tricky, and without a detailed review of the glossary, it might be easy to misinterpret some terms and so on. So I found the free sample exams to be a must-have before taking the real one. I completed all the available exams because I was too worried about my results, and this gave me a comprehensive understanding of the question format and time constraints. So these resources were really beneficial in building my confidence before the real exam, and I highly recommend them to anyone planning to get the ISTQB certification.
That's great to hear. So, not being based in the US, how did you hear about ASTQB and our exam provider at SQA, and why did you choose them?
Um, while researching the best options for me, I came across a successful story from another tester who had already taken the exam through ASTQB. He shared the entire process was excellent and well organized, which immediately caught my attention. So I decided to take my test through ASTQB without worrying about technical issues or any confusion. I think this was a major point in my decision. And by the way, I was impressed by the high quality study materials ASTQB provides. So now I'm glad I made the decision to pass my exam through ASTQB. My experience was exactly as seamless as I had expected, and the exam process was almost stress free.
So, will you be pursuing any more ISTQB certifications in the near future now that you have your foundation level certification?
Um, Absolutely yes. For me, getting ISTQB certifications is a way to boost my confidence, uh, stay competitive in the IT realm, and continue growing as a QA professional. Now, more and more employers value candidates with ISTQB certifications, as we can see on LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and so on. And that's not a surprise. In our modern job market, having the ISTQB certification can set you apart, showing employers that you are dedicated to quality assurance, adaptable to new technologies, and committed to maintaining high testing standards. So, yes, I definitely plan to pursue more ISTQB certifications in the future to keep advancing in my career and stay at the forefront of the testing industry.
Awesome. That's great to hear. Lastly, would you recommend others to get their ISTQB foundation level certification through ASTQB?
Yes, I would certainly recommend others to get their certifications through ASTQB because my experience was amazing and the entire process was well organized. The registration and the exam instructions were easy to follow. Even when I had connection issues during my exam, their support team was open to help me and quick to assist. And you can imagine how important it is, especially during the exam, when staying stress free is crucial for performing at your best. Uh, Moreover, ASTQB offers benefits that add even more significance to the certification. And as I've already mentioned, gaining this certification isn't just about passing a test, it's a recognized credential that reinforces your reputation in the industry. So if someone is looking for a professional and well-supported certification experience, I promise you, ASTQB is the right choice.
Awesome. Love to hear it. Well, thank you for your answers. Do you have any last things you'd want to tell people about ASTQB or your experience?
Yes, I wish everybody all the best of luck with your ISTQB certifications. If you have any doubts, just take a try. And the key is your persistence and the right strategy.
Awesome. Thank you, Diana.